We prefer to do it manually a little bit more, versus uploading stuff automatically, because we feel that we have more control that way. And we like to do it in smaller increments. So we used to update the knowledge base 2-3 times a week with new content. Now we basically do it once a week or once every 2 weeks. The increments are much smaller now, of course, and this actually helps us to test it a little bit better. We also are working on the automated flows. Those automated flows have to be built by hand, but it's very intuitive in the platform. So it's almost like a low code, no code kind of environment where you can do it. So you don't need to have any programming or development background to actually be able to do that. You have to be a little bit tech savvy, so you need to understand what you're doing. I would say, first of all, you need to be an enthusiast. So if you want to learn, you will learn it, because it's pretty simple, it's pretty intuitive. It has a very nice user interface. So that's been, very, very easy for our team to do. And none of them, by the way, have IT background.